Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a trainer scooter for flat ground. First up to get that done is by taking off your front and rear wheel. I strongly suggest you take off your rear brake. If you do a whip or something and land on the ground, land on it and you'll bend it. And so we'll get that done and I'll show you what's next. Alrighty, after you get that done, if you do this in hardwood floor or carpet, I suggest you put socks around front, fork, and the rear. Or if you don't have enough of them, you could just take paper towels or toilet paper or whatever, wrap around it and duct tape it. For me, I'm not going to because I do this outside. I can't do this inside because I have an RV, obviously. We have this there's gravel all around us, and so we have this mat all over the ground to cover that for us, and that will be for us. Did that for us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.